Okay, so we're going to go ahead and graph 3 of our 4 points of our quadrilateral, and we are trying to find point S, so that's the whole point. So let's start off by graphing 0, 2, so that's our P. Then we've got Q, which is 3, 4. And then R, which is 2 up to 7, so 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm trying to find the missing one here. So what we need to do is we need to do a couple things. So first off, we need to find the slope between all of these points. So between P and Q, so I need slope of PQ, which I'm going to use the slope formula here. So I always do my second point as my P2, or as my Y2 and X2. So I do 4 minus 2 over 3 minus 0, which gives me a positive 2 over 3 for this slope. I then need to find the slope of QR. And the slope of QR, I'm going to do the same thing. My R is my second one, so 7 minus 4 over 3 minus 2. Oh, sorry, it'd be 2 minus 3. That's my bad. 2 minus 3. Which that ends up being a 3 over a negative 1, which is a negative 3. So now what we need to do with this is we actually have to use it to create our next point. So the way that we do this is if I were to go ahead and select a different color here, I'm going to just start graphing with slopes. So what that means is that I need to go to the other side here. So the side that doesn't have the green one, the opposite side should be green if it's a quadrilateral because it has to be parallel. So I'm going to use this very same slope. So I could go up 2 to the right 3. That's got to be a point on this line. Or I could go down 2 to the left 3. Down 2 to the left 3. Oops, sorry, there was only 2. So down 2 to the left 3. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw that line. So I know that the point has to occur on that line somewhere. I'm going to do the same thing with my blue one. So it has to be on the opposite side of the other blue one. And so it's a negative 3 slope, which is down 3 to the right 1. Or I could go up 3 to the right 1. Up 3 to the right 1. And I'm going to connect this and make another line. So now the point where they intersect is the only spot that it could be. So what this means is that this is my last point. So S is my, looks like it's a negative 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So negative 1, 5. So the way